everyone, Tim Morissette, and we're in front of our great new listing here at Foothill Ranch at 18 Verona. 18 Verona features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,400 square feet on a quiet cul-de-sac street, and is full of custom upgrades. If you like bathrooms, the sellers have spent close to $100,000 on custom bathrooms. You're going to love this house. Let's take a look at it.
Before it's automatic habit of returning to you, though I smile when it happens almost as if it was magic. It means there's a God somewhere and he's laughing, and I shuffle my slipperless toes to the kitchen, still low to the ground, but high on living. And I know it's gonna be a good day. Hello, you beautiful thing.
So what you think of the house? Isn't it beautiful? By the way, if you like it, come to our open house this weekend from 12 to 3. And by the way, go on our website because we have a lot of great opportunities coming up. Take care, be safe.
But in a minute everything's gonna change, 'cause I know